on the box for your cake mix. So we need a 1/2 cup of cooking oil. Ingredients in first. So we're going to add the 1 1/4 cups of water, the 1/4 cup of oil, and then we'll add our cake mix. Chocolate super moist cake. I'm going to pour it in. And 8 ounces of cream cheese. Orders for cookbooks. This is a stick of butter, which is a... We're going to add a pound of powdered sugar a little at a time. I'll go ahead and put in a little. About 13 cake pan, that's a 1/4 sheet, pretty much. In the bottom, and I'm not measuring, I'm just going to sprinkle coconut in the bottom of my pan. And you use your judgment on how many you want. Spread it out even as you can. There's a lot on this end over here. 1 whole hour. All right, see all those craters? It's lifting out pretty good. Lifting out pretty good. I'm pretty sure she does.